ENK Level 2, Milestone Number 2, TPR Activities. Close your book and keep it in the bag. Put the pencil in the box and close it. Very good. Gather the cards and arrange them in the bag. Very good. Take your bag and put it on your back. Very good. Stand up and make a line. Say goodbye and go home.
Goodbye.